Hello guys, welcome to Jhummy's kitchen. So I'll be making a very quick recipe today and I want you to stay tuned. See what I'll be making with potato and carrots. Please come with me. So in a clean pot, get your groundnut oil or vegetable oil. In this case maybe saute some onions, some chopped onions in it. Then add your clean carrots. You can cut it to any shape you want. You can even cut it smaller than this, but this is my preferred shape. So at this point, just add your sweet potatoes. I have some leftover stew in my refrigerator which I decided to use today. You can use fresh pepper if that's what you have. You can use white pepper if that's all you have. Just this recipe is so flexible. So I'm using my leftover stew. Together I'm frying for a while, then I'll be adding some water. Fun fact about sweet potato and carrot is that they are both rich in beta carotene. Like we all know that beta carotene is very good for your skin. So if you want a very popping skin, this is one recipe you should try. So at this point I'm just adding chili pepper, white pepper, my parsley, and crayfish. So the thing about this pepper, chili pepper, white pepper, is that they have different flavors. So right about now I'm adding smoked fish. So like I was saying, they have different flavors, so you can, all of this will come together and give you the desired taste and hotness that you want. So this is 8 minutes later and my carrot and potato is coming together. It's taking shape already. So I'm just stirring. Now I'm adding a little bit of salt to taste. So it is important that you taste at this point to taste for sweetness. If it is sweet as you want, just leave it. Then I'm adding corn flour mix. I added a bit of corn flour with water to serve as thickener. At this point I'm adding my fried chicken. You can use beef, you can use whatever that works for you. It could be fish or anything. So I prefer chicken, and at this point I'm adding seasoning cube. So I want everything to incorporate together to give me the desired taste that I want. It's coming together already. You can imagine how sweet and yummy this will be. You can't know unless you try. At this point, you can just decide to leave it. It's ready. But you know, I can be so extra sometimes. I want it to be really soft and looking like porridge already. So I wouldn't stop here. I will still wait for it to get done. So this is totally fine. You can just take it off the heat at this point if that is what you prefer. But like I said, I am extra like that. If you have watched up to this point and you haven't subscribed, please click on the subscribe button down below. Then by the side you see a notification bell. Click on it so that when next I upload a video, you'll be the first to get notified. Then please share with your families and friends. Thank you so much. So right now it is ready and it's looking yummy already. It tastes so good, so juicy and so yummy. You need to try this to be able to get what I'm trying to say. So thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you. To all my returning subscribers, thank you so much. And to the new subscribers, I love you all. Take good care of yourself till I come your way in my next video. Bye.